All right, so today we're looking at finding the equation, give you units and the gradient. You're going to use that to be able to find out what the equation is. So the question will say, determine the rule of a straight line that goes through point 1 and -3, and its gradient is -2. So that's your information. Now this is the formula that you use. So make sure you write this down. So it's y take y1, which is equal to m, which you know is your gradient, in brackets x take x1. What you do is you take your coordinates and you sort them into your x will be x1 and your y will be -3. So you know that those is your x, that's your x and your x1. So now you've got all your information. So now what you're going to do is you're going to substitute it into this equation. So let's go. Y remains there because it's y. Y1 we can replace with the number we've got there, which is -3. M we can replace because we know our gradient is -2. X will stay there, and then the x1 will replace with 1 because that was the x part of our coordinate. So it's going to look like that. So y take -3. You can see straight away there's an issue there because you've got two negatives, but we'll fix that. Is equal to -2, which is your gradient, x take -3. So you've got another issue, not issue, but you know what I mean? We've got to fix that. So what do? We change the double negatives to positives. So it looks like this. So we've got y plus 3 is equal to -2x plus 3. So now you know what you have to do next. You have to get rid of these brackets. So what you do, you say -2 times x. So -2 times x will give you -2x. While I sneeze. And then you go -2 times 3, and -2 times 3 will give you -6. Okay, all good. Now, we are trying to get our rule to be y equals mx plus c. So, we want our y on our own, and we want our x over here, and our coordinates on the side. So we've got to take that 3 and chuck it onto the side. But you know, when you do that, to take that 3, you then take that 3 on the left side so that we can remove it there. We have to take a 3 on this side as well. So basically, we've now got -2x, take 6, take 3. Let's simplify that. So -6 take 3 will give us -9. So now we've got y is equal to -2x, take 9. So we've worked it out into an equation which is y equals mx plus c, because that will be our gradient and that is going to be our y-intercept. Right, let's have a go through this, write down the steps, and try some for me.